Do not use merge and center in your Excel data. It doesn't let you sort data. Column switching is also not allowed. It doesn't let you select single columns. And you can't copy and paste your updated data. I would recommend using this method instead of merge cell. Click on Number Format drop-down menu. Choose More Number Format. Click Alignment tab. And choose Center across selection. Using it this way prevents any errors related to the merge cell. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mr. Office. If you are watching from Facebook, please like and follow my page Excel Mastery Hub. Thanks for watching. See you next video.